Good afternoon. 1212.
Good day, Thomas.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
Hear me
Hey,
good?
Thomas.
Hello, good afternoon.
How are you?
Very good after yesterday. Very good profits.
That's good. That's good.
Bit rough. It was like dry inhale at the beginning, but you know, bias is correct in the end, and that's all matters. Sherry's giving out signals already.
No, brother, no.
No.
No, just a YouTube playing stream, live stream. My friend.
You watching someone else? I thought I'm the only one for you.
No, I left.
No, it's too late now.
I just watching you now.
All right. Hello, Brad the lad.
Good afternoon, Habibis. Good afternoon.
Hamza Ahmed, look at that handsome guy, Hamza. Where were you? Look at that beard.
Awesome.
Nice background
Right.
as well. I like it.
Oh, you right?
How you doing, Habibi?
Habibi, how are you?
Good. Where are you?
I'm in London.
Ah, proper London boy, ain't it?
Yeah. I've been watching you for a while. I mean, I joined the group, but I just don't usually put my video on.
When did you join?
It's been 2 years now.
2 years. Wow.
Yeah.
2 years, that's a long time.
I think I'm an old member.
We can say it's like a relationship now, 2 years. It's getting serious, isn't it?
Yeah. Probably from today now, yeah?
Yeah.
The weather here in London's pretty crappy today, so we've got nothing else to do but to dial into this call.
Yeah, it's raining.
It's
Very
horrible.
nice, thank you. Thank you, Brad. You didn't disappoint me today. Dickhead.
Yeah.
Oh no, I love you.
Tama, good day. A simple question.
Luis, ¿cómo estás?
How are you?
Good.
Your pivot point, where you find it or how you put it? Because I tried to find a few one, but it's different.
You have Tradingview open?
Yes.
Okay. Go into indicators. You got it?
I'll do it as well, same time. Yep, indicators.
Indicators, type in pivot and the pivot point standard. That's what you're looking for.
Look.
You got it?
I capture all favorite indicators.
Luis, have you got it?
Sorry, I was on mute. Yes, I got it. The standard,
Okay.
yeah, right?
You got to add it twice because you want to have settings, one weekly, one daily. And I use the Fibonacci and only one, sorry, was it numbers of pivots back? I set it to 1 because I'm only interested this week's and today's pivot point. I don't want to go back, you know.
So it's the weekly.
The weekly is the long one always.
Yes.
And
exactly.
the short one. Yeah, so you add it twice, set one to daily, did it one weekly. And then you adjust the colors as you wish. So you can disable the price labels, everything.
Yeah, got it. Thank you, Thomas.
How many points back did you say?
I just use 1 because that's all we need. We don't want to go back, too much. The weekly stays always the same all week because it's called weekly. The daily does move depending on, if there's big price movement, the bigger the price movement, the further away the daily gets from the weekly. And if the market is flat, then the weekly and the daily are very close. Now, usually when weekly and daily are very close together, it can be good if it's very close. If it's not too close but not too far, that's not good.
One daily, one weekly.
It's all about
One period back.
experience. Just to
Awesome.
feel the adrenaline running through
Thanks for
our
that.
veins. Like all the things we do that excite us.
And for the sessions, a couple of
Whatever
meetings
world
ago,
we
we talked
come
about the
from or live in,
sessions
there are
markings
people
on
that are born to
Tradingview. I've been
succeed.
using, since you
They're
mentioned
called
it, I
special.
found the Lux
To
Algo
hustle every day
sessions
for an
and have put
opportunity
that
of a
one on.
lifetime.
The which one?
Looking for the challenge
Lux
to shape
Algo.
our future
LUX.
is something that's in our
Is it better?
DNA.
It's good. It's pretty good. Yeah,
A privilege
I
just
like it. I'll keep
available
it.
for
Is it
few.
free?
It certainly is, sir.
Traders, we see
Is
things
that the one with the
differently,
oscillators
paying attention to
indicating?
every small detail.
Mine's pretty simple.
That
It's
would
just
maybe
red,
go
blue, and green
unnoticed by the
boxes for the
common eye.
sessions.
On or by the edge is
No,
our
I
playground.
don't think it has anything else on it.
With a constant
How we doing,
strive
team?
for glory,
Kai.
seeking for
All good in the
new
hood?
tomorrow.
Hey, Kai, man, how are you?
Do you feel
Good
special?
stuff.
Take back control of your investments.
Tamash, just created my Forexy account today. I must say everything went
Congratulations.
smooth. Yeah, Andre's a top man, to be fair. Very good
He
guy.
is. He is very good. Is it your first real account?
It is, yeah. It is indeed.
How does it feel to become a man?
How does it feel to pop the cherry? I
Yeah,
don't know.
you've grown.
It's just the same, really. Same.
Be wise.
got
Don't only risk the amount that you can afford, because you quite. How old are you? 19,
18.
18. Don't risk too much. Only risk that you can afford to lose. Start small. I mean, I show you something which is mind fucking blowing. These positions are, some of them, a week old, but others just opened yesterday. But even with a 0.05 lot position, if you get the direction right, £300. The other one is £294. A 0.1 lot, £110. So you see, with bigger lot, of course, the market moved significantly. So we don't have this benefit all the time, but you don't have to have, huge lot sizes and big accounts and, all these things. Be wise. And I highly recommend for you, Kai, to read up about the turtle traders.
Okay.
Yeah.
But seriously, I think one of the best strategies they use is simple breakout, but long term. And if you want to see, if you don't want to stress, you want to see your account growing, and if you have the patience and discipline, the turtle strategy is the way to go, by far.
Sure, I'll give
You
it a
don't
read.
you don't even need to use a stop loss with that. So
I'll give it a read. Thank you.
you're welcome.
Take the advice and make proud Thomas.
Pardon?
It's a proud push.
No, I say to Kai that make you proud.
He will,
I'll make Tamash proud. Yeah, hopefully that's the aim.
and I will help Kai with everything he needs, and all of you. I help everyone as much as
So
I
your
can.
goal, Kai, your goal is to double it each week.
No, Habibi. Oh my god.
Don't listen to him.
Why not?
Unless if you're giving me some inside information from the Bloomberg terminal, maybe.
Mate, I tell you, I only have the terminal when the wife is working at home. She's not home today. It's sitting there empty, turned off.
You need to get access to the login.
He can't
I was looking-
because it's a fingerprint reader.
No,
It's,
not correct. Not correct. you can get the fingerprint if you take a photo of the fingerprint from the reader, and then you put candle wax, clear candle wax or silicone on the back of it. You can make the fingerprint.
You can make
I've already
it.
looked that up.
Yeah.
Some Mission Impossible tactics.
Yeah. Just get a bit of sellotape.
But what about
Yes.
the IP address? Because then she can't log in at work. I think it's only
Yeah,
one session
that-
allowed.
Exactly correct. That's the problem. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
What sort of inside information would she have, though? That's what I'm curious about.
No, nothing that we're interested in, mate.
I was
She-
gonna
she-
say, yeah.
She works
It's-
in indices. Nothing to do with nothing that we have.
yeah,
to be
but
concerned.
I think everyone thinks that the Bloomberg terminal is essential to make money because there's inside information. It's not. So most people can't even use it. I used it Bloomberg at various jobs. We had information insider, but it was accessible for everyone else because we could see, who has how much shares, how many shares. We could see, the trading volumes for certain stocks, etc. Fixed income as well, very informative information that you otherwise would not have access to as a human being, because you need to have access to, the thing is, there's a differentiation if you just a user in Bloomberg, or if you have full access to EMSX, for example, where you can add orders when you have access to more market depth data. That's valuable, but even that, I don't think it's necessary to make money.
Yeah. I don't think a lot of the add-ons that you need in trading is necessary to make money. Like, do you know, with Tradingview and stuff like this, you can make money with the basic package.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The pro's good though. There's stuff. There's
Oh yeah.
Because of the indicators, you can add more indicators to the chart, and you can draw more things. The pro is better.
More about price alerts for me, I think.
Oh yeah, price alerts is a good one.
My
Hello,
price
Charles.
alerts never really work.
Hello.
How we doing, Charles?
Yeah, not bad, thanks.
Excited with the new account?
Yes, sir. I've
Good
been
man.
trading and not making any money for the whole of this year, so I thought I'd change it.
Fresh start.
Yeah.
How many times you guys had like, oh, I'm gonna open a new account, same or with different broker, fresh start, clean start.
No,
It's like,
I
have you done it
was
before?
just trading on challenges, so I still am, but I want to see some sort of income. Because I
Makes
saved
sense.
up loads of money just to ensure that I could live off those savings whilst I trade. It's still going all right, but I want to be doing more things.
I'm gonna be closing down the higher positions, which is at 70, 75, 60. No, actually, I'm going to leave it. The reason why, and now we have 21 minutes until Jobless claims. I wanted to close down because the current price level is very close to the daily pivot. On the chart, I marked two potential entry levels. So before we go any further, my bias is cautiously bullish, as it was yesterday. And I think everyone learned the lesson with the dirty move yesterday that be careful. Even the strong deflationary data wasn't a guarantee for price not to pull back. How many pips? 200 pips.
Yeah, my butt still hurts from
over 200 pips. That was disgusting. So cautiously bullish. Imagine how many, the volumes are just absolutely crazy. I mean, every single day we have, 500, 600, 700 pips movements. That's insane. So be careful because price can scoop in to a lower price level for liquidity or whatever we call it. So I marked, cautiously bullish is my bias as it was yesterday. First one is obviously just look at the pivots and previous lows, previous highs. So simple price action. coupled up with the fundamental analysis. So without going into macro, look at the chart. Beautiful, nice support and resistance. Lower, exactly the same. Higher highs, higher lows. But trading on technicals is, dangerous. Looking at the market sentiment, the first one, as I mentioned, gold is quite bullish. The whole market is bullish because of the market sentiment. Everyone is betting and speculating on early rate cuts as early as September. But we've been here many, many times before in the past 10 months that market was expecting huge cuts and nothing was delivered. Instead, inflation data came on the market. But now I think we are luckier because the market sentiment is definitely shifting and bedded with the idea that, oh, the Fed must cut, the Fed, they have to cut. There's no other way. They must cut. Yeah, but we don't know when. So anyway, still the purple cloud. And cautiously bullish based on the speculation that, investors and traders are waiting for a Fed cut. Looking at the fundamentals, moving down technicals, macro fundamentals. Today we have jobless claims, which is going to be released in 70 minutes. Also, we have some building permits and housing starts. I think the housing starts are key as well. But the most important is our initial jobless claims and continuing jobless claims. Now, the difference between initial and continuing jobless claims is the people who claim unemployment benefits for the first time, and the continuing, obviously, people who are claimants for for more weeks or more months than the initials. Last week there was a big surprise on initial jobless claims. I tried to find a chart which I prepared for you. And there was a big surprise to the upside. So there's definitely, we start to see the ripple effect or trickle down effect of the Fed interest rate decisions, the monetary tightening, let's put it this way. So on this chart, you can see, can you see? No, you can't see.
You can see all these Apple icons, all these Apple.
No, it's better.
Yeah, so you can see that this chart represents the blue thing is US non-farm payrolls, and the red line is the US continuing jobless claims. And you can see that the last time NFP was printed, massive under forecast. It was one of the lowest numbers in about 6 months or 8 months. And jobless claims, one of the highest increase or similar increase in the past 6 months or 8 months again. So you see number of claimants going up, number of job creation going down. So definitely spread is widening within the economy, between the labor and the job market. So from this speculation, let's have a look on what is the forecast. Continuing jobless claims, now the forecast is back, surprise, surprise, is set to be slightly lower than the previous one. Initial jobless claims decrease, which is surprising. So from this perspective, this is a inflationary data, and this should push gold lower. But how low? It depends on the significance of the data. If the actual data is outside within the usual standard deviation of the data release, then it won't hurt. It will definitely affect the market. So if it's significantly lower, then the price is going to drop down to 23.40 area. But if it's significantly higher or just maybe in line with expectation, I'm pretty sure we're going to penetrate 2400 today. So that's the full analysis. That's all we need to know.
Marsh, because yesterday, investors might be on like a risk on, risk off mode in stocks and stuff. If there's higher jobless claims, can we expect to see stocks decline a bit, or because there's such risk in the market. I don't know.
Yeah, I would say the same. We could see a sell the news and buy the fact scenario if we see higher jobless claims. Sell the news because obviously that's the natural reaction of stocks that, you know, unemployment is coming, people not going to spend money. But then the market would buy the fact that, okay, actually the market is going up, so don't panic.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
So yeah, actually I'm going to send this chart out to the members.
Thomas, I have a question about next week.
Mhm.
The Thursday should be the challenge peak in morning. It's gonna be big impact usually, or
The Yellen speech.
yes, next week.
It could have,
Thursday.
depending on what she has to say.
Okay. They're gonna
So
speak.
she works for the Treasury, not for the Fed. Different, same but different. So she's working for the government.
Well, the calendar says Fed, sir. So but it's gonna be 1 hour after London Open. They're gonna speak. She's gonna speak.
Good evening, Thomas.
Hello.
The PMI forecast is very deflationary. Will it have any effect compared to jobless claims?
The which data? Sorry.
Philly PMI.
That's later, 4 o'clock, isn't it? No, actually, same time. Oh, yes, it could have big effect.
Okay, thanks.
Does anyone use MT5 on their MacBook?
Me.
I just can't get mine to work.
Download the 4XC one. That's the one that worked for me. And I remember it took like a couple of hours to set it up.
They have their own day.
So Tamas, could it be a sell the news, buy the fact scenario on gold as well then?
Yeah, same as yesterday, but depending on the data.
Yeah.
Same.
Same.
Different.
Unanis.
Oh, the myth, the man, the legend.
The blood clot.
Wagwan, motherfuckers. What we doing today? Making money? Or
No.
losing?
No, not making, not losing.
Yesterday, I got wrecked hard.
Yeah, me too. Raw as well.
But then the market just there was a dirty
Went my
move.
way.
But brother, I got no bullets anymore because on my funded account, yes, and all the move up from the 52 level without me. Bye bye, Goldie Gold.
I took the loss and stepped away from the market rather than just trying to.
Yes, this was my last CPI and my last NFP. I lost on this both days 7,000 euro.
Wow, that's a bit too much for you, Adrian, isn't it? You're breaking your rules.
And that's a big lesson, a hard lesson. But at NFP, I lost 4 grand, and yesterday 3. At enormous stop loss planned, I said, okay, that I'll be willing to lose because yes, I'm expected that it goes down a bit, but it was a little bit too much. You know?
Was it a slippage?
No. Everything is fine. No slippage.
Then what was the? Then you pretty much answered what was the issue.
I place my order around 69 for the buy, and I take it 12, and then yeah, it goes down, down, down.
So what, these are high, very, very high impact events. So what if you lower the risk a little bit next time?
Yes, lower the risk and stay away for 30 minutes, Tamas. Then my win rate is much better, Stay away for 30 minutes, maybe 1 hour, or when I do a front runner, only 0.5 lot in the future. When I trade it as a front run.
But we made good money front running. You made good money front running before. I think it's just choosing the right risk it's what's
yes, absolutely
essential.
But that's how it is. Today's a new day, and learn from the mistakes and looking forward.
Yeah, well, $7,000 is. I'm sure you will get it back.
Yes.
So you got free.
Sorry?
Is it a live funded account or is that in the challenge still?
This is live.
Oh man, that's okay. At least you still have the account.
Yes, it hurts. It hurts, but okay. That's the life we choose, and we have to handle it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got
Sounds
A-notes
simple.
sometimes.
Sorry?
You got A-notes sometimes, but that's the part of the job, innit?
Yes. Futures trader is writing in the chat. 7K is a lifetime membership on Pornhub, bro. I don't know what a lifetime membership on Pornhub is. Man,
Oh my God. These guys are too funny.
Huh? Yes.
Kai, the funny thing is they're all like grown adults.
Yes. Reducing the risk.
Tamas, do you know if we have any other people in the community around my age, or do you know? Or?
Yeah, there was a few, but yeah. There's also even a guy who 65. There's all different backgrounds, different age, color, sexuality, you name it. We are all like a rainbow.
Oh man.
Oh yeah.
Rainbow boys.
No, don't go into that direction. Milky boys are okay, but let's not.
Milky boys.
Tamas, don't play with me. That's a penalty I kick in immediately.
Yeah, I will kick you next time personally if you make this mistake again.
Yes. Okay. Same move like yesterday.
Adrian,
Yeah, I'm
are you
expecting.
long? Adrian, are you long?
I have a long yes.
Are you long? Are you long gold at the moment?
No, I have no open position. Tape reading, sitting on the sidelines, waiting.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna close down that. Excellent.
We have no front runner, Tamas.
No. I have the positions from yesterday. Today, one of the best decisions not to trade, because yesterday I was in like 6K drawdown because of the dirty move. But luckily, that was like fuck me. And I looked at the chart. I didn't come online because I had my personal issue with getting back the account. The last thing I wanted is live trading. And on the daily pivot, I entered 5 lot, a 2 lot and a 10 lot, and hit the target. Now got the account back to 267, but there was never again. It was just I made mistake as well, holding too long in drawdown, And I'm glad I was out. So this morning,
And,
I was like, I
yes.
didn't even look at the chart. I walked away.
Yeah.
Hey Thomas, is
Hello.
it possible that you can you please share the macro and macro charts on the Discord or
The
a link?
micro?
Yeah,
You type in, or the chart. Yeah, sure. Which one? The
jobless claim and the CPI that you shown before
jobless claims and NFP.
versus yeah.
It's I sent it into the fundamentals channel.
Thank you. Yeah.
Brett, you have an open position at the moment.
Yeah. Even though we've got this up and down bullshit going on, I still agree with what Thomas has been saying about 2400. So I've just been layering really small lots, at little support levels.
Are you buying the down movement? You buying the down movement all the way down?
Well, hold on. When you say all the way down, I just, on a 1 hour chart, just looking where the support levels are, formed, I just put on another 0.05. So I'm layering with the expectation it'll go north.
Because everybody's waiting, same like yesterday, for the touching the pivot and then shoots up, and
yeah,
I don't trust this fucker today.
If it touched the pivot yesterday after the big drawdown, that would have been okay. I would have got back in, but because it didn't go there, I just
but charts, it was $2 away from the $1.50 away from the pivot.
I think I just was in a good mind state. I was just like, I wanted to touch the pivot, and it didn't.
Yes.
So I was like, okay, see ya.
Like Adrian, on the 1 hour chart now, I see 3 touches of about 2382 or 2381.50.
Yes.
So
that's the top of a fair value gap on the 1 hour.
Mate, I don't know, you and your fair value gap ICT crap, I don't know what that means.
It's really good.
Ooh.
It's really good. Because the market can't continuously progress. It can, but it's got more chance to sort of correct its imbalances. So when there's big gaps in price, like candles, it likes to come down and correct that. So that's a good entry level.
For a sell, you mean?
It depends on which way the market's going.
And I've got a volume profile here and a MACD going, and they're both just about to switch to up. So, I'm just going to continue kind of.
I don't know about this MACD bullshit.
Oh.
Now it starts getting interesting.
Mate, if I was going to say just one thing, I've got this indicator on one of my charts, one of my trading views, and it's a VSLRT, which is a buy and sell of volume profile, change in volume profile, and it's so good. I don't ignore it. I definitely look at it with every trade.
I use only one thing, LTT method.
Pivots.
No, it's the LTT method.
Oh.
We have 20 seconds.
Oh yeah, 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, just to keep everyone on track.
Yeah, thank you. And we are 3, 2, 1. Let's look at the jobless claims significantly higher.
Yeah.
Yeah, higher.
Get
higher.
up.
Yeah, it's gonna go up. I'm gonna open. Hold on. What was the manufacturing neck is down, so it's deflationary. That's. I'm gonna wait a little bit.
Yes.
Don't get into the mistake of yesterday. But
Yes.
generally speaking, you have continuing jobless claims. You have continuing jobless claims. Higher. Initial jobless claims higher. And as the forecast said, Sherry, stop giving out signals, please. So, yeah, I'm going to wait. Look at the chart. Let me show you the trading view. Yeah. Let's wait for the
will go
pivots.
down.
Don't jump. Yeah, it will go down.
It will go down 100%.
Sell the news and buy the fact.
Yes. First move the opposite, and then starts the real move. Yeah. Same like CPI and PPI. Fuck up.
Good tunes.
Thank you, sir.
My cat is visiting me on the desk.
You have a pussycat? Oh, that's a big hairy one.
Whoa.
Adrian, have you seen my story today? 3 a.m.
Sorry, no, I'm not active in Isabel today. Only,
3 a.m. TV goes mad. Microwave starts beeping. The alarm goes off. I was like, what the actual fish? All the lights were flickering. I was like, Jesus, this is the Exorcist, the movie. There's an exorcism, like some haunted house. So I was shitting my pants. My wife was like, what's happening? What's happening? I was like, okay, calm down. Electricity. Everything was up. All the switches were up. But there was no electricity in half of the house. The other rooms were just, half light and flickering. I was like, okay, must be the phase. I called the supplier, and they said, yeah, there's a phase issue. But it took like 30 minutes, and 30 minutes is enough to shit my pants running around. 6 hours later, the company came to the street, fixed the transformer, whatever is a big thing. Transformer, yeah. I was like, I'm going out like, did you guys find the issues? Like, yeah. It was a fucking cat. Climbed into the transformer, yeah, and just burnt himself. And as I was speaking to the guy, his colleague just throwing down a big burnt cat. Like, ridiculous.
Goodbye, poor world.
Poor
Thomas,
pussycat.
the initials are actually down from previous value.
Oh, finally someone is doing some work. So initials are, yeah, it's actually lower than the previous one, but higher than the expected. So is it inflationary or deflationary?
Stagflationary.
Oh, look at that.
Damn.
Nice.
I think this is what's stalling the price.
But if you look at continuing jobless claims, significantly higher than the previous one and higher than the forecast, which is going to be the fact to buy, but maybe not now. Wait a little bit.
Even GU's not moved much, or EU.
Yeah, neither stocks.
Everything is. Yesterday was the same, pretty much. Not much movement, but then.
Yeah, can't even scalp in this market. This is tough.
Hello, Mike.
Hello.
Mike McGreedy.
At your service.
Did you hear that joke? Not greedy, McGreedy. All right, are we going to buy or sell?
Buy.
Wait.
I'm gonna go in with one lot.
The TP 2400, 23.99.
24. Let's make it 24. Maybe bad decision.
Should have waited.
Oh, let me invite Banter. He's gonna put us out from our misery and tell us whether to buy or sell. The man, the myth, the legend, the one who has 2 Lamborghinis.
The 4x master giant.
The king.
Corbett.
The grandfather. I mean, you guys complaining that how much you lose in Forex. Ask Coben how much he spends on fuel each month. Feeding 2 Lambos. That's the real loss.
Is this that Instagram fellow that you have on sometimes?
Yeah. He's a cool guy. I like him. So, position is running in -7 pips, the last one, but I'm targeting, 2400.
Yes.
And Ben says soon is going to help us out whether to buy or sell.
Yes.
Yeah, Ben's in there.
He's given away Ferraris now. No, Lamborghinis, sorry.
The toys or actual Lamborghinis?
Actual ones.
Oh yeah, you started a new project.
Yeah. It's like a competition thing, and you're lucky you win a Lamborghini.
Is it going to be a pivot again? At
Set the buy
23.
limit now at 23.77 with $6 stop loss.
Yeah, I'm losing serious money now.
But you are wealthy. It's peanuts.
Yeah. No one likes losing money, Adrian. No one likes
No,
it.
but small money is okay to lose. Big money, no okay.
Yes.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening.
Hello.
Hey, buddy.
Someone's in profit.
All right.
He's selling. He's selling.
Nice to see you here. Yeah, to be honest, I took a sell in the morning after London session open. Let me tell you my exact entry point. 2,390.57.
Closing down the buy.
No.
Shall I leave it? Shall I leave it?
No emotion.
Back on your trading plan, bro. I'm already. I was expecting something, but not like this move. It's really weak. But sometimes the news reflect a little bit later. I was thinking about you, Thomas, because we haven't talked.
Oh. Well, last night or?
I have sweet dream with you. We are making shitloads of money today.
Yeah. Wow. I was making yesterday, but not today. I'm gonna close down the buy. I'm out. I'm gonna wait for the pivot. Let me put the red line to where's the pivot? 23.76.
Yes, sir.
76. Yeah, I'm gonna call it 76. Daily pivot. Yeah.
You have nice running profit. Beginning of the week, I have also buy. Let me tell you exactly from where. From 2,339, and I close it at 2,362. I had 50 lot buy, and I closed 140.
50 lots.
Yeah, $140,400.
That's insane.
50 lots.
Congrats.
That's how we based that Lambo gasoline.
Yeah, correct. But my account is quite big. It's now up to 2 million.
Wow.
It's insane money.
Wow.
Crazy. Congrats, bro.
Yeah, good job. Top job. Amazing.
Tom, how did you take the trade yesterday?
With a big whiskey. No, I was in a drawdown of 80 pips or 100 pips, like a big drawdown. It was only a 2-lot trade, but then it was big enough to cause problems because I entered with like 3 trades, and it was like 6,000 minus 6,000 drawdown. I was like, shit. I ended the stream,
Thomas,
went away.
Yourself?
Pardon?
We can't hear you, bro.
Thomas has gone.
Oh yeah, I did. So yeah, I know. Actually, I was in a drawdown yesterday, big drawdown, like 80 or 90 pips, even 100 pips. And the problem is, I opened small positions but many. So like three two lot positions, added up to around 6,000-7,000 drawdown. I was like, shit, should I close it? It was very tough. I started questioning myself, or there's the buyer shit. Then I looked at the chart and I saw, oh shit, that's the daily pivot. And I entered with a 5 and a 10 lot trade. And when it pulled back to the amount, when the big lots were equal to the drawdown amount, immediately closed it. So I was in almost break even, but still in drawdown. And then the position started moving up. Entered with another 2 lot, and that's how I ended up with like some very good profit. So it's it was like 10% profit, but it was tough. It was very tough.
Nice. I'm really happy for you.
Thank you.
What are you expecting from US 30? That moving also crazily yesterday.
Too high to buy, too bullish to sell. New all-time high just made yesterday, last night. So when these kind of moves happen, I try to stay away from the market. It's never good to trade at these highs.
Yeah.
Or just wait for the New York Open, wait for a pullback. But what I'm expecting on US 30 is pullback at New York Open and then continuation upwards.
Yeah. I'm currently selling that pullback right now.
The market is quite slow today. Yeah, but yesterday we had enough volume, that's true.
Yeah, it seems like the market is a little bit exhausted from Tuesday and yesterday. From the moves.
It was quite high.
I really want to enter into a buy on gold, you know. Again.
Wait for the pivot, Tomasz, no?
Yeah, sometimes it doesn't reach the pivot. It just bounces. Like yesterday, it was like, let's see, 5 or 10 pips away from the pivot. And, you know, my hands are itching.
Yeah, it might continue down to that pivot, you know, quite close. It's anything can happen, right?
Yeah.
And that's a boring session today. Ben, do you have any other positions open?
To be honest, I had a Zoom call with my boys and girls, and we was looking to sell Euro USD before the new. We are set a point of interest to 1.08783. Where the London session was open, but basically the price doesn't reach with that level, so we missed. Today I'm only focused on these two pairs, nothing else. To be honest, what I was expecting on the gold, I think the price can be takes out the previous daily low, what is the 2,352. and after we will see. But of course, we know exactly gold is moving more fundamentally than technically. So yeah, but I was expecting a little bit more volume after the news. So not too many things to happen.
Yesterday or today?
Maybe it's also possible that we see when New York Stock Exchange open, we see a move to the upside, and then we come down with momentum.
That's also more.
That's the other scenario.
Yeah, more people
on the 90 levels again.
Absolutely.
That New York Stock Exchange open pushes the price a little bit, 80, 120 pips, and then down.
Possibly, they are waiting now. Enough people coming to the market. They start buying, selling because the price not really moving, and after the real move coming. Tom, do you following anything else? Nasdaq?
Just looking at Nasdaq and US 30, but as said, too high to buy, too bullish to sell.
And oil?
No, I never traded oil, and I'm not. I don't like it.
It's
very rigged.
Only for me.
Yeah, with your
petrol.
2 horses.
Yeah.
Bit of a slow day, isn't it?
Can't complain. Usually Brits say this, can't complain, alright. Wife left me, but got a good last shag out of it, can't complain.
Sounds about right.
Angelo had a sell limit in his channel. I saw it now.
Good.
He woke
Angelo.
up. He woke up today.
Selling to the buy.
There's a sell limit posted. The sell limit on the 23.90, I think.
Get up. Get up.
US 30, dirty 30.
Open FX. When you're sitting there trading 50 lots, are you looking? Are you watching? Are you a little bit nervous, or do you book it, confident, and walk away?
Of course, I'm following the move, but how I doing? I'm setting alerts.
Yeah.
Once the price there, I just take the decision. I will run it or I take partial. But that's what I'm explaining for one of my buddy, because he asking me, he has always big risk reward, but after 1 to 2, 1 to 3, he closed the trade. But he has one bigger risk reward than 1 to 5, 1 to 6. And I told to him, okay, I have now on gold 1 to 70, 1 to 19, but you don't care about me because I trade more. I started trading so many years ago, and that time I'm started to trade with small account, and I'm just building up my mental level with the real account size. So I think that's the reason why my brain running a little bit different, because if someone start to trading now, has a chance to trade on big account with funded company, but the big numbers and the small experience can be damaged really easy your emotion.
It's like big ego and small penis.
Yes, exactly. So I think if someone try to learn to trade now, it's more difficult because you have more chance to make big mistakes, what can be reflect for the next few months, what you need to recover and you need to understand. So yeah, my way, I just take the trade and it's here. You see, it's not open. I know what I'm expecting. I know where I will be looking to take the decision, running the trade, take the profit, or even close it.
Yeah.
very important. And I think the other thing what lots of people skipping is the trading plan. I guess everybody has a trading plan here.
Yeah.
Less or more. But I think the biggest problem for beginners, most of the guys just keep it here. And you know, if you are focused on the chart, focus on different things, you can lose the focus from couple of different things what can be changed, the full trading plan. So the best if you write it down to paper. I know it's sounds stupid, but if it's in front of you, you make the check, you know, you can missing anything, because from your trading plan, only 1 or 2 confirmation missing, you see straight away. But in your mind, you can forget it, you can skip it. And this small change can be make your trade losing and not winning.
Yep.
Yeah, it's good. That's a good strategy, good info.
Thank you.
You know, it's pretty stupid. Paper, pen, that's all. If you see that, it's there. If you there, you can miss it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Got to keep it simple, innit?
Yes,
the best
exactly.
way. Best way.
Yeah. You can use Excel or anything else, but you know, Excel you need to push the button, and you know, pen just pack you done. Checklist done. You have everything what you need to wait. Push the button, make the money. If something missing, only 1 confirmation, you are not doing anything. I make also the same mistake so many times. I was confident, I know what I'm expecting. After what happened, I missed this really important thing. What can be changed, the full picture.
Yeah, good
Thanks for
discipline.
that comment.
Good discipline.
You're welcome, guys. Oh, did you bring some boost for the market?
Booze?
Boost,
no.
Thomas have to enter 1 position, Corbin. After Thomas enter a buy, the market will move immediately. Like always.
The problem is that it's the wrong direction.
Today is shitty market.
30 is finally dropping for me.
Is it?
Yeah. But I'm only getting on like the little retracement and exit, not looking for a far target.
Daily pivot.
About there, yeah, about there.
Today we have an opposite scenario. Today is down the stairs, up the elevator. Normally it's up the stairs, down the elevator. We creeping down, and maybe the rocket up from the pivot.
Apologize, guys, but I have to go. I'm going to pick up my kids. I wish all the best for you and have a wonderful trading day and rest for tomorrow.
Thank you, Benza. Have a good day.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for
Thank you.
I wish all the best. You guys, ciao.
Bye.
He's a good guy.
50 lots, man.
The Lambo is thirsty. That's why he...
Oh, look at that. The rock.
Adrian showing off.
Yeah.
Oh, no, bro. I'm small.
How old are you, Adrian?
47.
Fuck off. 47?
Yes, bro.
Oh my god, bro. You look very good for your age.
I know. Thank you.
Wow.
Yes.
He's lying, bro. Lying.
This is... I'm lucky, Kai. I'm lucky. I have many old people in my family. My grandfather and all the old people are turning 90, 95, and this
But
is
healthy and mentally and physically at 95?
My grandmother is completely fit, 91 now. My grandfather, he passed away with 88 years, and the last 2 years was completely Alzheimer. You know, the Alzheimer.
Yeah.
Because he was a diabetes patient, and he using the insulin, the injections for the diabetes.
Yeah.
And
he forgot.
He is injected too much insulin.
Yeah.
Over 40 years, and all his muscles gone away at some point in his life. He can't walk anymore. He can't use the bicycle anymore. He's in the wheelchair, and then life turns in the other direction. And yes, this is not a good end for him and for us.
Sorry to hear that, brother.
Yeah.
No, that's life. That's life.
New hourly candle opening in 4 minutes with the new 4-hour candle. New 4-hour candle, yeah. In 3 minutes. Still no new positions. Just waiting. New York Open is definitely going to bring the volume. Thanks God didn't enter into another buy. Now it's coming down.
Good job you didn't enter another buy, eh, Tamash? Fucking hell.
Yeah, sometimes it's difficult to predict that. Okay, that you know, sniper entries and perfect entries are very rare. Sometimes the entries are dirty. Yesterday you saw that I was in down like 100 pips. Sometimes the market is dirty, but this is why I recommended you, Kai, to read about the turtle traders. Small lots, wide stop loss or no stop loss even needed. Look at that. It's massaging the pivot. Just peace of mind when you don't have to worry about, you know, stop losses, and trading on a margin account is difficult.
I must say that the 50% bonus that for XAUUSD is a big helping hand.
Good thing is that, you know, if you blow the bonus you got, I think you can still withdraw your initial deposit, can't you?
Oh, can I don't think you can because it's in credit.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, I think it's just used as margin.
This is always, a bonus is always used as margin at the broker.
Either way, I don't be planning on blowing my account anytime soon anyway.
Mate, no rush. You're 18. Think about it as a long-term investment. Small trades every day. Get the direction right. You saw exactly. Look at that 0.05 lot position, £300. Yeah. If you're patient enough, play small lots. You know, if you make £300 a month, it's already, you know, 3,600 a year. Which is, it's very good. Just need to be patient. Monetary policy. Every single day we talk about, there are many opportunities about the within the interest rate differentials. Not arbitrage, but kind of arbitrage. So we know exactly the US is going to start cutting interest rates soon, or that's what we're expecting. That's what the market expects. We know that the UK or ECB most likely going to go ahead the Fed. New 4-hour candle just opened, touching the pivot soon. So there will be many opportunities to make money. We can profit off the interest rate differentials.
Thomas, is that where you've turned that arrow? Is that the pivot point? Is it 2, 3, 7, 4?
No, it's 2, 7, 6. Somewhere the pivot is somewhere there, but I put it lower because I'm pretty sure it's going to dip a little bit lower just to massage everyone's stop losses. But I'm still not entering into anything.
No.
So Thomas, yeah, if we see OpenAI come into partnership with Apple, what could we expect? NAS to go up, or what?
We're all going to die because the bots are going to take over. I'm looking for Sarah Connor.
Thanks.
Sarah Connor's going to join the turtle traders.
Yeah. It's a big thing. I mean, two of the biggest market leaders in their own territory joining is always good. Not sure what the competition body is going to say about this, or antitrust, whatever. So pivot is just massaged almost a few pips away. Shall we enter into buy?
I have, yeah. Just
you did, you cheeky.
There's a weekly weekly resistance just above.
I went in with a one lot trade, going to play stop loss, risking £600.
Where it's rejected is a weekly resistance level on the pivot.
Pew pew. Pew pew.
Hat nicht gedruckt.
Very slow. Oh my god, full margin. 2 pips.
No. Why is gold doing this? Crap market today.
The dollar is breaking, trying to break above the pivot. DXY.
Really weird, isn't it? I guess because euros just dropped against the dollar. GU's just dropped as well. I think maybe because it's less than last initial jobless claims are seen as that improvement.
US 30s doing its thing.
Yeah, it's too close to market open now.
Do you think it will continue higher at market open? Yeah.
No, it will pull back most likely.
Oh.
Have you seen my chart? That's what I'm expecting on US 30. New all-time high, every breakout followed by a retracement. So I'm expecting a pullback. US 30 follows trends and trend lines and support resistance very nicely. This is probably the most accurate. Price action is beautiful on US 30. Let me show you the chart for others as well. That's what I'm expecting in US 30. Small drop, small retracement, but generally speaking, you know, going higher.
It's a very crucial level for an entry because New York open. Because I'm thinking about them buy, but maybe they will take up my stop loss, and after that, it will go in my direction. That's my
Everything's
fear.
possible.
Yes, I know, brother. But we have the EMA also on the 15-minute chart. I'll give it a try. Volume comes in. Okay.
Oh wow.
The stream today is very quiet. What's wrong with?
Coming to the end of the week, isn't it? Thursday. How much having a day
Thursday's the
off?
new
Right?
Hell yeah. And
Good
Monday,
luck.
it's Pentecost Monday. Pentecost.
What's Pentecost? What's that mean?
It's a Christian something. I don't know, but I'm happy with the day off.
Very good. Any plans?
Get hammered.
That's normally my plan, not yours.
Yes, speaking of which, you sound very sober.
Water today, Tash, water today.
One thing, if you go to Eastern Europe, never drink anything out of plastic bottle if you go to a house party, because I guarantee 99% it won't be water. It will be it will be moonshine. Homemade moonshine.
What is it? Palinka?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was camping somewhere a few years ago, and this guy downed a bottle of water. It was only like 500 mils, but he didn't realize it was Palinka, and he was knocked out for 3 days.
What's Palinka? What's that?
If someone doesn't recognize it, but he must have been very, very drunk, because Palinka, yeah, oh god. I've seen people chucking in, a big load, thinking it's water, but it was Palinka or rakia in other parts, or moonshine or schnapps. Yeah, I did the same mistake in a house party. Next day, hangover, go to the fridge. Oh fuck yeah, there's a bottle of water, and it wasn't water.
Yes. It happens to me at the sleepover at the Yugoslavian friend. I go to the fridge on the next day. It kills me.
Yeah.
It kills me. It was a Vital bottle, 1.5 liter. And
Yeah.
I take a big one. I go immediately to the bed and sleep the next 8 hours.
Yeah, some of these spirits are good. It's many people in Eastern Europe drink it religiously against flu, and if you have a problem, if your birthday, just drink Palinka. But it's cruel. It's tough.
It's been alcoholics.
Jawohl.
Natürlich.
Eine kleine Jägermeister.
Nein. Bitte nicht.
I was just looking at the news releases for next week, and there's literally nothing.
Holiday.
Thursday is the only important day, really. Unless you want to trade existing home sales.
Or crypto on the weekend.
Nah, stay away from crypto.
Trading in a weekend? No.
Crypto's a scam.
You can still make money.
The whole thing. FOMC meeting minutes on Wednesday.
Another one.
Just a minute,
No.
isn't it?
Yeah.
Did you see what Donald Trump had to say about crypto though?
No.
He was like, if because obviously they do speeches, right, about elections and stuff. He was like, about crypto. Basically, long story short, it's not word for word. He was like, if you're worried about crypto, basically get me in office because you won't have to worry about it no more, of it going anywhere, basically. So
Yeah.
if he's in office, crypto is there to stay because that's what he wants. So, I don't know. Can't be that scammy if you know what I mean, if he wants it still around.
Yeah, but you too young, Kai. So let me ask a question.
It would never be.
Can Donald Trump, when he was in charge, he was the president of the United States, he knew exactly what he's doing when he was tweeting rubbish about Jeff Bezos or any companies. He was the only one person in the whole world who could talk shit about US stocks and not, and just get away with it. Even the SEC couldn't touch the president of the United States. He was the biggest market maker. Like, it was ridiculous.
Well, Trump.
Yeah. I think that's my personal bias, is that he deliberately moved the market in a way with those tweets, because he attacked companies. He talked about crypto as well. He talked about many things, especially stocks, which are the most volatile for government tweets or presidential tweets. I think it was Amazon was the most prominent example when he attacked Jeff Bezos that Amazon is using the UK postal services as their delivery boy, and he's not happy about it. He's going to do something, or that was the context. Of course, the Amazon stocks went down. What it is, if it's not, market making or
yeah.
Hey, sorry, Kyle.
Go on, Brad. Go on.
I'm just going to post something in the general chat of the Discord. I'm just putting it in there as a joke, just so you can see it, right? That's all. It's just a joke. I've just posted it. I just got it from one of the million Telegram groups I'm in. For anyone who just wants to see something ridiculous.
Demo.
Yeah, well, I don't know. It could all be fake. The whole screenshot, mate. Could be.
Yeah.
Bang, bang, profit.
None of those are closed entries.
No.
Oh, bye-bye gold.
Oh, no. How much I'm losing? No. Fucking hell. 420 pounds.
Exactly like I said. This dumb.
I just closed a cell. I just closed 2 small cells.
So good, yeah.
Little bastard.
Charles, why did you drag me into this position, Charles?
Hey,
it's all your fault. No, it's not. I'm going to blame you because I shouldn't hang out with you. You're a bad influence.
No. Look, it's completely rejected now.
I'm going to reject you if it goes into loss.
Look at that. Lovely.
Maybe the kid is right. Let's wait till the end. I mean,
complete rejection. Bullish.
Yeah, look at the pivot. There's a nice rejection.
If it closes.
Are we going to double our money today?
No.
Hi, Will. Kai's only got 1 day left. He has to double his account.
Fuck off, Brad. Oh yeah, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, Donald Trump. You know how he brought Jay Powell into office? Now he's saying that he thinks he's dirty, like he's dirty in his work or whatnot. I don't get it.
He says
Jay
what?
Powell's changed over the years? Because obviously Jay Powell got brought into the chair by Donald Trump, right? And now he's saying that
No, he was already in it. I think he got like
but re-elected.
Promoted.
Yeah, promoted. Yeah. So he promoted him to the top whatever chairman of the board, and now he's saying that his work is dirty, this and stuff like this. So do you think Jay Powell's changed over the years?
Hold on. Why do you think Trump is attacking Jay Powell? No, it's because it's a freaking election, and what hurts the most of the American households, or it's high mortgages, high oil. So he's going to attack. He's going to create a common enemy, or he's creating a common enemy. So is Joe Biden. So everyone is now shaming Jay Powell. But what Jay Powell does is he's doing his job that he's sworn up on. He was selected, and the reason why central banks are separate from government, because they need to make the tough decisions to create high interest rate to fight inflation. They are the ones who should be, getting all the shit. Charles, your position is in profit. Well done. So of course it's election year. So of course Jay Powell is going to talk shit about. Trump is going to talk shit about Powell. He wants to win the heart of the people. And if Jay Powell is making decisions with his team which are not convenient, and then suddenly he's attacking, he knew exactly that Jay Powell has to pull the trigger with the interest rate increase.
Right. Makes sense.
As with everything, Donald Trump wants all of the institutions to do what Donald Trump politically wants to do in any one moment. So when he wants to prosecute his enemies, then he wants the Justice Department to do what the president wants to do. When he wants the economy to go whichever way he wants it to go, then he wants the Fed to, be subject to the presidency. It's very, very transparent with him all the time. It's whatever is politically convenient for Trump, then he wants the institutions to do that.
Yeah, and grabs them by the pussy.
Well, it's like running the business.
But he's a tough. Exactly, he's tough. He's really blunt. Not many people like him. He's very controversial, but he's straight. He's straight, honest person, maybe.
Who? Jerome Powell?
No,
Donald
Trump.
Trump? There's nothing honest about Trump.
I don't think honesty is something anyone would put next to his name.
There's nothing honest about Trump.
Why? Everything he says, he does.
He's upfront. Yeah.
Yeah, upfront. That's the right. Sorry, my English is broken.
Yeah, that I was gonna say.
But if Biden stays in election, I go to America. I learn English.
Mike, am I out of order if I suggest that maybe you're not a Trump supporter?
I'm not a Trump supporter. No.
Good. He's a liar.
Just kidding. No politics on the show. Charles, your position running in loss again. What's happening?
Come on, Charles, man.
I'm losing money because of you.
No, it's
Take
okay.
profit hit.
Take profit hit.
Yes.
And you're shorting and you're not.
You're selling?
No, I'm buying from the pivot with 40 pips. Take profit, 4 lots, 1600.
1600.
Wow. Call it a day, Adrian, I think.
It was a tough day because I'm early in the morning, and then I have to went out because the market moved not in my direction, and then I made a mistake, and
Yeah.
now I'm break even.
Okay.
Now I'm break even.
Now you can enjoy your day.
I have. Yes, everything is good. Everything is good.
Top
and
work. Top work.
yes, I'm waiting. At Dubai time is 6 o'clock. The 10 a.m. the 10 a.m. candle in New York brings a lot of direction over the last
Erection.
weeks. Erection. I got erection every morning. Yes.
Ah. How does it feel? It's good, isn't it?
Yes, I feel comfortable with that.
You wake up needing a wee and you just can't.
With 47?
Yeah, I always piss on the ceiling when I go to pee with erection.
I have to smash it in the toilet.
I tried, but I almost broke it once. So what I do is I just stand in the shower and just piss on the wall all over and the glass. My wife doesn't like it because I leave it there. But
Yes.
what can I do?
That's disgusting.
It's like the dogs. You mark your space. It's normal. It's normal behavior.
Oh, I have a story. I have a friend. He had a new girlfriend. Girlfriend moved into his house. First night, she got his luggage. She didn't back out. We went out to night out. Got absolutely hammered. He went home. He woke up the next day, and his new girl was absolutely terrified in the morning, covered up in blanket, and she's looking at him. Is like, "What's your problem?" She was like, "You don't remember?" I was like, "No, what the fuck?"
Pissing in the luggage.
He went home. He thought he's opening the toilet, and he pissed in his open luggage full of her clothes.
No way.
It
What did
actually happened, and even the whole cupboard was full of piss. Yeah.
No.
Shit happens.
Yeah, they didn't get married. They weren't together long, but it was a funny story.
After this,
shock.
No. It's a couple of months they broke up, but it wasn't a good beginning of the relationship. Let's put it this way.
You call it very honest. It's very honest start.
Yeah.
Nothing to hide anymore.
Oh my god, it's a bit of movement.
Oh, we have 30
Last
seconds
week.
until market open.
Watch New York open, just everyone out.
I'm selling from the 23.90.
Now you stop trading and take the profit, brother.
Maybe.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding, ding. New York has opened.
See what stocks are doing.
What a big market movement. Stocks. Oh, yes, that is going up. It's going to be a new all-time high.
Really?
I already closed that bitch.
Oh my god.
So aggressive.
What's with the dollar?
Dollar no move.
All
No,
in
it's
it.
the dollar's rejected from the pivot. The
Yeah,
dollar
rejecting
was
the
rejected from the pivot.
You look at US 30. Now that's what I call an erection.
This PP on the ceiling.
That is very big. It's huge. But the first move isn't right. It's
Yes.
never right.
Are we selling this shit?
No. Too high to buy, too bullish to sell for me.
Okay. I'm with you.
Have you used it?
Ed, you're
Sorry?
looking for skills.
No, the boss tell me the advice today. I stop my trading day for today.
That's good.
Maybe.
That's good.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Guys, I'm gonna call it.
This is a big dick candle.
Yeah, I'm gonna call it today because I have some builders who just finished the job, so I need to double check them. I don't think I'm gonna be trading tomorrow, but let's keep in touch. All right. Good luck for today.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you,
Bye,
Thomas.
Salsa.
See you tomorrow.
Have a good one,
Bye-bye.
brothers.
Thank
Ciao.
you, Thomas.
Thanks, everyone.
Bye, team.
everyone.
Bye bye.
Thanks,
Bye-bye.
Thomas.
Punah.
Punan.